guys. Well, beautiful morning. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. Oh, it's bright. But, well, it's day 2 of our heat wave here. See, I'm in tank top, but I haven't worn tank top yet this year, but I finally got one on. But, so I was doing a little work on the baler this morning. I seen on this baler there's little dividers that keep the belts from climbing over top each other. So I was working on those today. And this basically all morning I've been doing that. I was going to start taping it, but once you get going, you tend to forget about that. But yeah, so I have to replace 5 of them. I don't know if I can show you what they look like, but here, I'll try here. Give me a sec. So, you can see those bars up there. Let's see, those right there. Those right there I have to replace. What happens is they go between the belts here, and they keep the belts from climbing each other. And there's 3 of them back here that were wore right out. You can sort of see them. They're kind of funny shaped compared to the other ones. But I have to put more of that in, put new bolts of twine, which I'm going to have to pick all this garbage up. And then there was 2 on the front here. Those, sort of see them right. Come on, right there. And some of them are almost wore through too, but they'll be fine for now. But yeah, so I did that. I greased. You can see there's nice big chunk of grease there because it spit back at me. So that's pretty much oiled chains, fueled the tractor up. Yeah, so that's about all I did so far. Got the fuel truck here. I had to run to the thing and get some fuel, which I wonder if I shouldn't put some in the 1086. But anyway, so this hay down there, that's been cut only 2 days. I'm gonna be raking that today, maybe possibly baling it later. Like, it's crazy how everything is drying. So let's go put some fuel in the 1086, and then I gotta run this back to the farm. So, hi. Come on, Betsy. I don't know why. I don't know why it does this when it gets warm, this truck. Whenever it gets warm, it doesn't want to start. Oh yeah, there's the good old gas now. So we'll run quick over here. Put a little gas in this or diesel in this 1086. Just enough to get me back. I seen there's a couple teeth on this rake broke too, but not much I can do about that. I didn't bring no teeth. Make sure that shut off. There. Climb. Oh, this is hard one-handed. Great. This is super hard one-handed. Gas cap off. Be able to, you pull up this and you put that, and sorry guys, I got we'll pump fuel in here for a bit, not too much, just a little bit. So yeah, I got this to rake yet. I raked a whole bunch last night. I baled last night. I got a partial video of that. I'll see how good it is, because well, I was having issues. My phone was, I don't know what was up with my phone last night, but oh well. So plan is to rake all this, rake that there, and hopefully bale by 4. So anyway, so I'll finish this off and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So out here doing a little raking. It's gonna be real rough here. See, there's combine ruts in there. I went with the mower conditioner and just about buried the tractor. Back on this swath. So we're on getting to the side of the sand hill here, so the crop isn't as nice here. But and then over there is really nice. So this stuff here has only been down for 2 days. And I'm already raking it. It's how fast it dries. Well, this here is kind of light on the light side. I'll be baling this for sure. But over there, like the heavy stuff there has been down for 2 days. Stuff way back where about the bushes. Today's the 3rd day, but I raked that all last night. So we should be baling that over by that bush there later today. You can see the bales I made yesterday. Those were the ones I was talking about. I got a video of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to include it or not though, because it's real muffled, like I said. I don't know. So I'm going down to this side. Shoot. That yet. So I got all this over there. There's some. By the on one well site, there's a little bit too, but let's see if I'm gonna get to that one or not. You can sort of see a little bit of green. Not much though, considering this is clover. There's lots of clover in this. But I don't know, I'll keep going on this. I'll bring you back a little bit. So I'm busy baling. Oh, see a little thing I put in here. That little light there is for that bale sooner. It's for that little white light just to tell me if there's power going to my thing in the back. I have to make a little holder for it yet. Oops, see? Light goes off. And the light don't need to go back. So I've been baling for a while already. I baled all that light stuff up there. I'll bail here soon. So I got a bale right now, it's tying. But yeah, I baled all over on top of that hill over there. And on the other side I baled all that too already. It was really light crap, you can tell from how many bales I got over there. Like that's about 25 acres I baled over there. And I got maybe bales ready. Alright, let's go test this. See, so I raked this all last night. Yeah. And I hold you white. Woo, she's hot out here. was 27 when I started baling, temperature wise. There's a little bit of a wind back then, but nothing now. So where are we at? 16.8, sorry. Ugh. It's hard to do this one-handed. Whoa, that's not good. Might be just a wet spot. 25.8. Shit, she ain't ready yet. Two. Yeah, there's still kind of like wet spots. I don't know why my twine is tying so funny. We'll go check that. $16.2. Maybe it's just a wet spot on that side. 13.3. I'm almost tempted to do another bale. Now let's see why my twine arm. See, the twine isn't going very good. So let's take a little look, see in the hay. See, what's happening is that, see, this is clover right here. I think that's what's causing me grief. Yeah. See, there's just a teeny bit of clover left. That's tough. Well, we'll do another bale, find out, see what it looks like. But I gotta find out what the hell is going on with my pine arm here. Yeah, it's in the right spot. Here, I'll clean this off. See, this baler has a dual twine arm. So that means there's two twine arms. They both go through and then they both apply twine into the bale. It's like this. So, right here is the setting. You pull this pin. See, there's different holes. That's how you do the settings of your twine arm. So if you want to have different spacings, you can do it that way, plus controlling your RPMs. But anyway, let's go try again here. Oh, sorry guys. Woo, she's hot up there. One more bale. Let's see. It's too tough. It's too tough. I can't go. That down. Engage my PTO. Bring it up to about 1650. Turn on my thing. See, light came on. Away I go. Because it's dusty as hell. It's just that damn clover. Over there was bone dry, but there wasn't much there, so it's dusty. If you can, well, just pick it up, but it's dusty as can be, so I don't understand what's going on. Oh, got my stuff. not talking much. I'm just concentrating. So I let her down to about 14. That's good. Well, why am I backing up? Well, it's still too tough on this bale. I'm going to shut her down for the night. Oh. This one's got a bad one. Alright, so just I let down, kick that out. Let's see. Bale's out. End gate goes back. Sun goes in camera. PTO off. Pick up this. Go back in the heat. Sucks. It's you can't see on the camera too well, but it's super dusty. I think it's just that spot. See, it's 13.6. $11.7. What? Focus, you stupid thing. $14.7. So that is dry. I don't even need to put stuff on that. But I'm going to anyways. Because if I hit a wet spot, 11.2. Huh. Maybe it's just that end. 14.2. Well, then we're going to go. So I think we're going to, I'll make one more and see what does. There we go. I don't understand why that one is so tough. Anyways. So I'll make one more here and then I'll get back to you guys. Let's focus. Okay. See you in a bit. Pile here. So you can see I'm still baling. Turns out it gets drier as you go over, so that's good. I don't know how much drier it's going to get, but we'll keep going. I'm still putting the stuff on. I know the bales are about 14%, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Because you never know where you're going to hit a real bad clover spot. This is good. Powder to handle it. But yeah, there ain't very much farther I can go until I'm caught up to where I raked up this morning. I doubt that'll be ready. That little bit over at the other side, it wasn't ready yet. Damn water hole. But yeah, it's not too bad a crop on here. It could always be better though, but oh well. Can't complain. Especially for being hailed out. Watching my baler here. got another bale. Not as many bales as I thought I was going to get off this side. But oh well. Still getting bales. Don't need that on. Can't complain. We have another one here. There it goes. Both turning, yeah. You can see my little twine. Ooh, my window's dirty. Sorry. There. See my little wheels are turning. I'll try to clean this off tomorrow if I keep it. Alright, it's done. There goes the end gate. Up goes the bale. Then down goes the gate. Stuff I do for you guys. So yeah, I probably got another 15 swaths left before I have to shut her down. I will test though, I will see what the other stuff is. If it's dry too, I'll just keep baling. If not, well, then I'll shut her down. Yeah, that twine's doing something weird. Oh well, still look okay. I took a drive earlier today with the quad home, that big grass area over there, and turns out I might try cutting tomorrow. Gotta get a bale before I get down in there. I'm gonna drag this full baler through there. Not feeding that side. It's got like needles down on. No, you can't see. Can you, son? Yeah. It's gonna make me go right through this. Oh, I got deals. I got tools. Ha! Take that! Alright, cut major ruts in there. There you go. So yeah, this is going to take too much longer, but anyway, so I think this video is starting to run a little long. Not much else I'm going to be doing, just back and forth, back and forth. If anything interesting happens, well, I'll bring you guys back. But okay, until next time, guys. See you all later. Hey, everybody. So if you're wondering what hemp looks like in real life, I'm just at my buddy's field here. Told me I'd come down here and take a look at it, see what it actually looks like. So right behind me, I don't know if you can see it, that's hemp back there. Wish it wasn't so bright. I don't know why my camera's so bright, but anyway, so yeah, it's hemp behind me here. Just let me look here for a second. Okay. So yeah, this is hemp, guys. So you can see by the leaf. So I'm about 5'5", and this is about some spots a foot taller than I am. So you can see how it's kind of pretty interesting. So this is the first crop of hemp in the Fawcett area. My buddy did first. I was going to see. He said he's going to try out, see what it looks like, see what he can make off it, and he's going to let me know. But you can see it's close to flowering, which will be getting cut here fairly soon. Because hemp around here is, I can get on this side of the road. The truck is running in the background. Hemp around here is not combined. It's they cut it for feed. So yeah, but that's it right there. It's a little bit bad down there because there's water there, but yeah, like in the center there, he said it's even taller. He said he's 6'5". He said it's taller than he is. So yeah, there you guys go. Just thought I'd show it to you, something new.